Welcome, English friends. I'm Devin, and I teach calm, slow English for real life. In today's lesson, we will talk about the third article in English, the. The. The is similar to a because when we pronounce it in English, everyday speakers, we say the. You can also say the, but you will often hear native speakers say the. You use the article the in front of any noun where you, as the speaker, and the listener know exactly what object you are talking about. For example, if you are sitting on the sofa with a friend, you may ask them, "Hey, can you pass me the remote?" You both know exactly what remote you're talking about. So we use the for specific nouns that both the speaker and the listener know about. If you are in a store, you might say, "I need a dress for the party on Friday." You're saying because you need a dress, any dress, no specific dress. But if you and your friend see a beautiful red dress with gold buttons and you don't get it that day, but you call her the next day and you say, "I bought the dress," she will know that you mean the red dress with the gold buttons. So we use the article the or the before a noun that the speaker and the listener know. This noun can begin with a consonant or a vowel. It does not matter. You can say, "Give me the orange." It's the only orange on the counter. You can say, "I need the onion for my recipe." It's the only onion in the refrigerator. I hope this makes sense, friends. Very good job today, and I will see you tomorrow.